Yuan Chi is a rising Chinese actor. Yuan Chi is a relatively new actor in the Chinese entertainment industry. His breakthrough role came in 2025 with the BL drama To My Shore, where he plays Fan Xiao, the third young master of a powerful Thai family. Little is known about his early life or education, as he maintains a relatively private personal profile while focusing on his burgeoning acting career. Yuan Chi entered the entertainment industry in recent years, gaining significant attention in 2025 with his lead role in the boys' love drama To My Shore, where he co-starred alongside Hao Yi-ran. The series, which explores themes of romance and personal growth, marked his breakthrough and propelled him into the spotlight within the Chinese BL genre. He contributed to several theme songs for the drama, including Delusion and Drawn in Karma Fire, both collaborations with Hao Yi-ran, showcasing his versatility beyond acting. Prior to this, details about his earlier projects are limited, indicating he is still in the early stages of his career. Yuan Chi is active on social media, particularly Weibo, where he shares updates with fans. In late 2025, Yuan Chi addressed dating rumors in interviews promoting To My Shore, clarifying that he is single and prioritizing his work due to a busy schedule. He emphasized valuing loyalty, respect, and trust in relationships, earning praise for his mature outlook. In the series, Yuan Chi's character Fan Xiao is shaped by childhood trauma and initially misreads the sincerity of the other lead character, Yu Shulong, as deceit, leading him to manipulate and challenge him. The story follows their complex relationship that begins after a car accident and evolves from manipulation into genuine love. The drama received positive reception, with viewers praising the acting quality and the chemistry between the lead actors. Yuan Chi also performed songs for the series, including Delusion and Drawn in Karma Fire with co-star Hao Yi-ran.